How to buy goods such as gift cards on Amazon using PayPal. So as most of you know that Amazon simply doesn't accept the direct way of payment method for PayPal, so it is allowed to have a credit card or debit card but no PayPal. As you can see on the screen that there is no PayPal for the payment method. So in that case what you want to do is we need to find something similar to Amazon, so which we've got one over here that is Trundle.com. So it's a basically simple or similar website that is favorite or similar to Amazon.com. And now what I will be doing is just click on this any one of this online voucher that is your gift card and simply tap on this checkout, and just you just have to enter your registered email address over here and just click on checkout. And once you click on checkout, I'll be showing you some screen that is you can easily choose the PayPal option over here and just click on checkout and send it to the person whomever you like, just like you'd have sent after purchasing it from the Amazon. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.